anywhere. I was always with the Congress, but you can say I was a silent partner. Now I'll be a more vocal partner, more active partner. And one of the reasons, perhaps, that besides Ma Vincent's coming and Ambreen and my siblings, Oshime, is seeing what is really happening in the capital and across the state. The amount of misgovernance that is happening and the way our people are suffering, prompted me to take a more active role. I feel that today, the advantage in 2023 is with us. It is definitely with us. But will we be able to take advantage of this advantage? Or will we throw it away like throwing the baby with the dish water? I think this is something that we have to do a lot of soul searching and thinking about. One of the reasons why perhaps this party doesn't have a second line of command, so to say, is because whoever is in command is more interested in getting rid of the competition than in encouraging the second line of command. Let's call a spade a spade. I think when Ma Vincent came and talked to me, I could see that at least here is a team player. A man who will consult, a man who will work with others. And I think that is what we need in order to sweep 2023. I firmly believe that we can get absolute majority in 2023. But we have to stop pulling the carpets from each other's feet, and we have to work together as a team. Support each other, help each other, and remember that we are here not for power, not for glory. We are here for the people. Especially after having won, we have to remember that we should build bridges to the people, not walls. That is very, very important. And if we can do that, nobody, believe me, can bring down the Congress again. And I believe that today, with this team that we've got here, with the spirit that we have within each and every one of us to do something good for the party, I believe we can do it. I believe we will do it.